Welcome to Thordata. This video will guide you through the process of configuring Thordata and BitBrowser. Access Thordata's dashboard. Navigate to residential proxies. Enter your username and password. Select the country and region you will use. Copy the single-stream proxy format. Next, go to BitBrowser. Click Browser Profiles, then select Add. Enter a profile name. Go to the Proxy section on the left. Under Type, select Saksu. Paste the copied format into the host field. Click Check Proxy. A successful check indicates the proxy is working. Click Confirm. Locate the new profile and click Open on the right. Configuration complete. The associated IP address will now be visible.